Float therapy is effortlessly floating in 11 inches of warm and extremely salty water. The cabin-sized float tank is also soundproof and either dark or with very low light. Because of the minimal outside stimulation, it becomes a perfect environment for decreasing stress and practicing mindfulness. It is deeply relaxing, calming, and often a transformative experience.
I've been spending the past 13 years investigating consciousness and emotion in the human brain. Floating provides a window into the lowest reaches of our brain, a window that allows us to see the rhythm of our life, a window that allows us to literally feel the sentience, the flow of sentience, completely untethered from the external world. And over the course of life, about 25% of the population is going to have an anxiety disorder at some point in time. There's quite a bit of research to show that you could have a significant reduction in stress and anxiety when measured from pre to post float.
There is something about no sound, no smell, nothing to feel, nothing to see, absolute peace, which in this world we don't even know how to experience anymore. We don't even know where to go to find it.
So in the whole world, this is the biggest flotation therapy facility, and it's right here in Pasadena.